This is my reflection for Tuesday, the 7th of February. My aim today was to continue exploring the conventions used in film noir and film noir posters. I started off the lesson by watching the rest of the film Gilda. I couldn't watch all of it because YouTube didn't have the full version, so I watched some features of other films. I looked into how to break conventions, for example, using a female character as the main character. I researched famous notorious female gangsters such as Griselda Blanco. I also looked at other film noir posters such as Little Caesar, The Public Enemy, M, and White Heat. The way they're constructed is very artistic, and I need to think of ways of how I'll make my own poster if I was to do this project. I also looked at films such as American Gangster. Although it was not part of film noir, I wanted to see how it was constructed and what conventions they used. For example, the scene at the beginning where Denzel Washington set one of the bad characters on fire. I also picked up a book source earlier from the library on film noir, and I was researching that a lot of the films are based on the American Dream, as I researched in my previous analysis in another unit. So if I was to do this, I'd have to look back on other previous work that I've done and use the research I've found and implement it into this project. Tomorrow, I'm going to spend half the lesson researching film noir, and then I'm going to go back to my previous idea of researching abuse and campaigns on abuse and just try and gather some ideas